Thank you. Says yellow restart. Don't know where it is though. More power, more power, more power, more power, more power. There it is. Goes round to the right.
The turnies are jingling.
Round to the right, round to the right.
Rightings.
No, come on. No, same place as last time.
We made smart.
Thank you. Right then, left. Tape barrier. You see it?
Yeah.
Right. Go. Full send. Whoa, big rocks everywhere.
Mounting, go!
Full sending.
Oh, mounting.
Oh my god.
I think that got the stone out. Oh, shit. Go.
Mind the hole.
Section continues.
Oh,
That was a bang then.
Thank you.
Very much, sir.
Hairpin right. Hairpin. Go. Straight. Hairpin left. Go.
Oh, you mounting goat!
Section ends.
Pretty.
Thank you. Pow. Go. Right.
Righting.
Hard right. Keep going right, more right.
I think I might have taken
Right. Up there. Left. Go. Stop.
Stoppings.
So left a little bit. Slowly round the corner, round the zone, all the way. More. Down to them. And a stride B. Stop. Hello.
Thank you.
Full send. There's a rock. I'm gonna shut.
Yeah. Oh, there was a rock there.
Left.
Leftings.
Righties. Full send. Go right. Right a bit. Left a bit. Left. That's it. Section ends, but left a bit. Stay on the left. Hard right, on the right. Go. Oh, yes! Minus Range Rover. Go. I'm going to take that as a pass.
No, I'm going to take that as a pass. Oh, moral pass.
Mind the man in the high vis.
Minding the man in the high vis. Hello.
Thank you. elbow on the door.
I kept doing that last time. Fucking hell.
You know what? I said that about there as well.
Yeah,
weirdly.
like when you're like. Well, I didn't spray his Range Rover with stones.
When we get to a good place for tyre pressures, we need to check the car over.
Yeah, that was a bit of a bump on that one. Station! We started
Station 7, I forgot, I love you, sorry.
Oh,
Restart. No,
that wasn't working, was it?
no. Turn the steering. Yeah. Go. More than A. Come on, you mountain goat. Come on, you mountain goat. Yes, come on, mountain goat. Come on, mountain goat. Come on, mountain goat. Come on, mountain goat. No, we're throwing hard.
Oh, they've made me.
Back up there.
We turned the music on! That was awesome. I'm just gonna put it out there. Please tell me. Yes, it was good.
Pass. So we just bumble up as well.
That's my plan.
I've got a little left there.
Big bump.
Oh. Mountain goat.
It goes on forever.
That's great.
Second gear.
Oh God, that didn't stop us. That would have been a diff killer.
Yeah, it would have been a diff killer.
So section ends. End. Carry on track until tarmac where Elmo DP. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yellow flag restart. Come on, go wide. Go. Come on. Find the... Oh, yes, baby.
Fuck yeah.
Put that down for a P.
Oh, we're having a biggest P on that one.
Thank you. Not an observed section, it's just the typical sort of roads we have to drive down in a two-wheel drive sports car. mountain goat, forwards, forwards. Go a little bit. And up, and up, and up, and up. Go, power. That way, that way. Leftings, 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 leftings. Go, go, go. Round there, round there, round there, round. Spin, spin, spin. Stop.
Yep.
Stop. Backwards, backwards. More, 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 more. Go. Go, 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 go.
Stop striding, striding.
Stop striding, stop striding.
And gently.
Stop. Thank you very much. Oh. Thank you. Go up right. Go right. Go right. Woo. Slowly, slowly.
Ends.
19's down there.
A.
Right, A.
Thank you.
Right, A. A's on the left.
A's on the left.
Boy. No restart. Back up there. Thank you.
Thank you.